He stepped behind the crane, and the counterweight suddenly swung toward him. He jumped away just in time. One more second, and he could have been crushed. The crane operator stopped the swing immediately. The supervisor cleared everyone from the counterweight danger zone. Safety barriers and warning signs were placed around the crane's counterweight swing area to keep workers out of the crush zone. Before lifting resumed, the operator, rigger, and signal person confirmed that the entire swing radius was clear. Never stand behind a rotating crane. The counterweight can create a deadly crush zone in seconds. Stay outside the marked danger area at all times. A rigger made one small mistake, and within seconds, a heavy load almost crushed a worker. The sling wasn't secured correctly. As the crane lifted, the load suddenly shifted. The load swung violently. One worker jumped back just in time. It was a near miss. One incorrect rigging setup can cause dropped loads, crushing injuries, or even fatalities. Always inspect slings, shackles, hooks, and the entire lifting setup before every lift. Never rush a rigging job. If this safety tip helped you, a worker walked under a suspended load. Then suddenly, the load started to swing. He escaped by inches. Never stand under a suspended load. Always stay outside the danger zone. Follow your rigger. Use the designated safe walkway. Safety comes first. Wait until the load is safely landed. Never take shortcuts. Follow your rigger. Use the designated safe walkway. Safety comes first. One wrong move, and this routine crane lift almost turned into a deadly disaster. The crane boom moved dangerously close to overhead power lines. Everyone on site froze. The signal person immediately shouted, "Stop!" The operator stopped the lift just in time. Electricity can arc from high voltage power lines to nearby equipment. You don't always need direct contact for a serious incident. Always identify overhead power lines, maintain the required safe clearance, and use a trained spotter before every crane lift. Everything was going fine. Then the crane suddenly started tipping. Workers ran as disaster came within inches. The crane was lifting a heavy steel beam, but one outrigger had been set on soft ground without proper support. As the load came off the ground, the outrigger slowly sank into the soil. The crane leaned farther, and the signal person immediately shouted, "Stop!" The operator stopped the lift at once and carefully lowered the load before the crane could tip over. Always inspect ground conditions, use proper outrigger pads, and make sure the crane is fully stable before every lift. A heavy load suddenly slipped from the crane hook. Workers froze as disaster came within inches. The lift was stopped immediately. During the inspection, the team discovered the hook's safety latch was damaged and not fully closing. The damaged hook was removed from service and replaced with a certified, inspected hook before continuing. The rigging team checked the hook, sling, and load connection. Everything was inspected before restarting the operation. Always inspect every crane hook before lifting. Never use a damaged hook or a hook with a missing safety latch. Like this video, subscribe for daily workplace safety, and share it with your team. One safe decision can save a life.